Okay, so this instructional video is on how to enter your time card. This section of the page is what we're looking at. This is your time card. And there's a few things that we want you to be aware of. You have 1 week here on this line, and then to get to your second week, you will use these arrows and toggle back and forth. So there's the second week, toggle back to the first week. Okay, let's go ahead and delete these. To delete any hours that are already in there, I just click on those hours, makes it real simple. Okay, we have some shaded areas up here. And those are the days that this individual would normally have not worked. Okay. So to enter your time, go to the day that you're trying to enter. If you're entering the full hours for that day, just click here and it will enter the amount set up in your time card schedule for you on that amount. But let's say, and then to go to your other hour types, you can see we have regular, overtime, vacation here. You use this slide bar here. So let's say that on Tuesday we had regular time, but we also had some overtime. So to enter overtime, because if you just click here, it's going to enter another 9 hours. You either can go here and edit, which will then give you the days and you have to pick the day, or you can go here and click on the day and it will bring up our edit screen with all your hours. And so let's just say we had 1 hour of overtime, 1.0 of overtime. Close, and that's going to show up here on our overtime line. Let's say on Wednesday you weren't feeling well, and so we had some sick time. So let's say that you worked 5 hours and 25 minutes of your day. And because it's not the full amount, we have to do it here. So we're going to do, and there's 2 ways to do this, 5:25 minutes. And then for sick time, that would leave us 3:35 minutes. Okay, and then we close. We can see that it gave us 5.42 hours of regular and 3.58 of sick. Now, let's say that you're smarter than me and you have already figured out that it's 5.2 and 3.58, 5.42 and 3.58. You can also do that here again. You would come to the edit, and here you would put 5.42, and then down here on the sick time you would put 3.58. Okay, so if you don't know the dividers and stuff, or don't know the math, put in a colon and the number of minutes. If you do know the math, especially if it's like a half hour, you can put a period and then the portion of the hour that it is. So then we have to finish entering our time card here. If we enter here and enter our Friday, now let me just quickly toggle over to the next week and show you that it's already all filled out. So then we're going to come down here, we're going to hit the submit button. And then once you're in here, it shows you warnings and it shows you any errors that might be. And so then you just hit this submit button. Oh, you can also see the hours here. And then you hit the submit button. Okay, that's how you enter your time card. If you have any more questions, please feel free to give us a call. Thanks.